Uh, I'm an International Volunteer Association. Today I'm here at Health Builder Labs to meet with Dr. Sandra Sofra to introduce the signal therapy.
It's represented by two different devices. One is the Health Builder and the other one is the IELLIOS. The Health Builder was built and invented in London University. In 1994 was the first device that came out of London University, and it was invented by the co-inventor of the pacemaker, who was commissioned by the Multiple Sclerosis Society to do a device that would be like a pacemaker for the motor nerve. Like the pacemaker replaces the signal of the pacemaker cells, this device was meant to replace the signal of the motor nerve.
So, Dr. Sandra, how does signal therapy work?
Well, it works through these devices basically emit signals. The Health Builder emits the signal of the motor nerve. It goes to the motor nerve stimulates the motor nerves around it. The motor nerves around it eventually will reach the brain because they travel through the central nervous system. The brain will get into exercise mode. Because it gets into exercise mode, you will have the same hormonal release that you see during strenuous exercise. The most important thing about this technology is that you have a contraction that lasts from 4 to 6.5 seconds. That means that your grandmother can exercise at the rate of a professional football player that has spent his entire life in the gym. This is significant because the professional football player will take years and years and years in the gym to reach that level.
Yes.
And yet with this technology, boom, you get to that level immediately. This is why it works on visceral fat. This is why 1 month is like 1 year or a year and a half in the gym. In later versions of the technology, we found that this device is the only device that can work on visceral fat, and that it works through the hormones to give you a full contraction that is similar to when you're exercising in the gym. This technology is quite different, and it's based on much newer research, primarily my research, on ion channels, and it involves very low proprietary energies at which it has been mathematically proven since 2008 that the ion channels of the cells open up and allow ions as well as signals, which is what our technology is all about, to enter the cells. Now, the IELLIOS is totally different technology. The Health Builder goes from top, bottom, it goes from the brain to the cells. Here you go from the cells to the entire system. So this technology has minuscule proprietary energies at which the ion channels of the cells open up, like doors and windows that would open up automatically, and would pass in signals that reinforce the signals that have deteriorated with age to reinstate it. So now you have sort of an age reversal process that happens with this technology that we have not seen with anything else in the world. Now, this technology started, the concept started in the year 2000. This device came out in 2011. And since then, we have made a lot of research. So we're talking about almost 18 years of research that can bring us to the latest invention of this technology that is really unique in this world. Nobody else has it.
Yeah.
We are the only ones who have this technology. As you're aging, your skin loses the collagen, elastin, and actin, and myosin, so it starts sagging. But it's not that you need more collagen as you're aging. You need the signals that produce the collagen. So what this device does, it provides the skin with the signaling communications and reinstates the signaling pathways that will reinstate that younger, fresher look that is natural.
Oh, really?
And that's natural, yeah, because nothing else, everything else, you know, people they look without wrinkles, but you still know their age. Here, you don't know their age, you see, and that is the important thing. They're fresher, they look younger, and naturally younger.
May I ask you one embarrassed question? How old are you? And
I'm 65 years old.
Well,
Incredible.
yeah, incredible. So what are the examples of the signal portable on skin rejuvenation?
Well, there's different programs, and you basically combine them, and you combine them like sequences of different signals that appear and disappear at different timings. And timing is very, very important because it's like performing a dance pretty much, that you have to match it with what the cells are doing. So the dance of the ileus and the dance of the cells have to match. They have to dance together. And after they dance together, there is this effect of reinstating the kind of cellular communications. It's a very interesting, very intriguing technology.
I'm so glad to thank you about
Pleasure
Mr.
meeting you.
Dr.
Pleasure
Dr.
meeting you.
Yeah, we really
Thank you
appreciate
for-
your
thank
coming
you for
to
inviting me.
introduce this machine to us.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for
Yeah.
having me.
Welcome.